If you haven't decorated for Christmas yet, don't worry. Dollar Tree has some really quick and easy ways that you can decorate your home, and I'm going to show you some easy DIYs, so stick with me. So I'm over in the new Christmas items. I love these little peace and joy and be merry signs. These would be great attached to like your stockings to give like a really cool look. Love that. I also love these pine cones. Now these pine cones are priced at $3, but look how full and nice they are. I'm so excited that Dollar Tree is now carrying these large pack of ornaments. I get these every year and I put them out in styling with all of my decor. It just adds a little bit of extra touch. I like this large one with like the red and silver, but I think I'm gonna get this one. I love grabbing these bells. They're an easy way to decorate for the holidays. All right, these fabric trees, if you guys remember from last year, I created something really similar. These are awesome, only $1.25. You can put several in a grouping. I think I'm gonna get these 3.
I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas.
Check out these light up trees. There's like a blue, kind of a teal, and love this red.
If you're looking for the best gift to give practically anybody on your list this year, I want you to consider the Brio iNeck 3 Pro Massager. And I want to thank Brio for sponsoring today's video. Brio has several different massagers to choose from. I was drawn to the neck massager because that's where I hold a lot of tension. It has a 270-degree C-shaped construction, which allows 50% wider reach compared to most neck massagers. It easily fits around your head, neck, and shoulders. I love to just lay back and watch TV and use the neck massager. Now, some neck massagers, you have to plug into the wall and you have to stay in one position. That's not the case with this neck massager. It's wireless, so you just charge it before use and then you can move around freely. You can get up and walk around. The Brio iNeck 3 Pro does have controls on the side, so you can turn it on and off and customize it that way. But if you want it to just be hands-free, you don't even want to think about it, you can actually download the Brio app and you can customize the massager. It has 3 different modes for a variety of massages. It also heats up so you can have a heated massage. If you have a lot of neck soreness, you can wear the Brio iNeck 3 Pro almost daily to help with your neck soreness. You don't have to spend a lot of money to go get massages. The neck massager would really make the perfect gift for so many different people in my family. I'm sure you have several people on your list that would love it too. It's so great to put on at the end of the day. I can be doing different tasks and wear the neck massager. Even when I'm working throughout the day, if I'm feeling a little bit of soreness, I can put it on and have instant neck relief. I think it'll make the perfect gift, so consider getting the Brio iNeck 3 Pro for anyone on your list, and I'm gonna link all the details how you can get there in the description box below.
I got a great, easy DIY idea for these snowmen.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that.
So it's raining outside and I need to spray paint, so I'm gonna try to hide underneath the awning and hopefully spray paint. I'm gonna be adding a hunter green gloss paint to my snowman. I'm just gonna spray paint one side, making sure I get the edges as well. Next, I grabbed some hunter green yarn that I already had in my stash. I'm gonna create some loops and just tie them off. Now with my 3 snowman, I wanna make them as even as possible. That's gonna help me when I start stringing them on. So if you haven't guessed already, we are making a garland. So I grabbed some twine and looped it through one of my snowmen, figured out where the center portion is. Next, I picked up these fun beads. You guys, these are from Amazon. I'll link them for you down in the description box. And I am simply going to lace the beads onto my twine. I had a little bit of trouble putting them on there, so I ended up using something to kind of push them through. That helped a little bit, but I'm gonna put 3 beads in between each of my snowman on either side. I just added beads until I was happy with the look of this. These are so big that you really don't need a ton to create a big statement. And I added these to a picture frame, but you could also put them on a fireplace.
We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more.
Check out these pine picks. These are ones I feel like every year I have to buy at like Walmart or Hobby Lobby. They have them now at Dollar Tree.
To forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
I'm pretty sure Dollar Tree is watching my YouTube videos and then now carrying these items in Dollar Tree Plus. I'm in the Dollar Tree Plus section. Remember when I made these faux trees? They have them for $5. You can buy them already ready-made. They also have these white fur wreaths for $5 as well. I got a quick DIY for this wreath. I'm gonna pick up 3 of these trees.
This next DIY is so quick and easy. I'm gonna take my wire cutters and cut off the base of my trees. Now I thought maybe I could stick the base into the side of the tree, but that wasn't working very well. So I ended up cutting off most of the stem and then just used hot glue to place the trees where I wanted them. With my 2 trees on the side, I actually cut off the bottom portion so that my tree in the middle was larger than my trees on the side. Used quite a bit of hot glue and just placed them down. I added in additional hot glue to the back until I felt like they were really secure.
When I was making all of my DIY gifts for this year, I wish I would have had these throw blankets for $5. These are fun Christmas throw blankets. You could put them on your couch. I love the little trees. They have one that's gnomes. They have a plaid. Sherpa Christmas tree pillows for $5. I love these. Look how big they are too. These would be so cute sitting out in your living room. So I've been noticing this jumbo ribbon in the Dollar Tree spot. This is great to add to your mantle. You could also add it to your Christmas tree. I went to a home show this year and saw this crinkle ribbon on a Christmas tree and it looks so good. Dollar Tree has it. They have it in red, they have gold and silver and green. I'm gonna get some and show you what it looks like on a tree. Ooh, they also have a plaid.
I have to tell you guys, I was really impressed with this crinkle ribbon. Now, the way I think you make it stand out is to take it and twist it as you're putting it on your tree. Make sure you kind of push it into your tree so it looks a little bit more realistic. Now, if you feel like you didn't twist it well enough, just pull it out and retwist it. And here's how it turned out on my tree. I have to tell you, I only used 3 rolls from Dollar Tree, so it ended up costing me $9 to get this look.
If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is bell. One of the cool things about the Dollar Tree Plus is they have a lot more options now for gifts and Secret Santa. Check out these 4-foot Christmas trees for $5. If you need a smaller Christmas tree, this would be a great option, apartment friendly. $3 gnome tree toppers. They also have a little snowman option. Okay, so I have to get the stars in the very back. I'm nervous, these are ceramic. I'm gonna get 3 of these stars for a DIY. Okay, did it.
Let's DIY these ornaments. I wanted to make a gingerbread style ornament. So I'm gonna take my cork pieces, turn them over on the back, and then I'm gonna trace my ceramic ornaments. I'll cut out the stars. What I love about these cork pieces is they actually have adhesive on the back, so I'm going to take the adhesive off and put it directly onto my ornament. I'm going to use some leftover ivory paint and more of a detailed brush, and I wanted to do a fun snowflake pattern. Now, I did have to double up the paint a little bit because I was painting on cork, but I essentially did the same pattern on each of my stars. I love crafts like this. I think they're so fun to put together. You could also do this craft with your kids and they could have fun painting these. And here's how they look on my tree.
I have not tried these yet, but I have a fun DIY in mind for these. Love these wood pieces. They make such fun crafts.
Along with the wood pieces, I also picked up an ornament. I'm going to use that tile piece. I took it out of the packaging and just traced around the back of it. I used some hot glue to hold it in place. I poked a hole in the top so I would be able to hang it down the road. I'm going to spray paint it with a bright red spray paint. With the ornament that I'm going to be using, I just pulled off the existing ribbon on there. Now this created a little bit of a problem, so I got some greenery out that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I'm going to add that to my ornament. And then I'm also going to add in a snowflake and some twine that I had. The snowflake is actually from Amazon, but they have something similar at Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to use some green ribbon to attach it to the top of my ornament. I'm going to hot glue the reindeer to the red ornament. Now with this type of ornament, you could display it on its own. I actually put it in the middle of a wreath and I love the way it looks.
I just found something that was left over for fall, but I think I'm gonna use it for Christmas decor. All right, these trees, you guys, they've been around for years, but they're always great decor.
I'll just start by removing the leaf off of this container. Then I'm going to take my tree out, put a lot of hot glue at the bottom of my container and on the base of my tree, and then I'll place it in the center of the container. Next, I'm going to spread out the branches. This next technique I have used for several years now. Essentially what I'm going to do is get a packet of these greenery pieces and I'm going to wrap them around. Why I'm doing this is just to make the tree look more full and to look a little bit more high-end than a $1.25 tree. Now in the base of my container, I'm going to add in some faux snow. This was a little tricky to do, but I ended up getting it to work. Now I couldn't decide if I wanted to flock this tree or leave it as is. I kind of had this idea, what if I painted the tree? So I'm going to use that same ivory sample paint and I'm just going to paint on the top of my tree. You want to concentrate your paint on the top so it looks like snow is falling down on top of your tree. But I actually really like the way this turned out. If you don't have anything to flock your tree with, try some paint.
I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Oh my gosh, Liz, come over here. You're not going to believe what they have.
Okay, you guys, we have been looking for these red bins forever. These are awesome for gift ideas. They're only $3. Now we did end up picking them up in white, but if you can find these red ones, grab them.
You guys know I love painting these soaps to make them look a little bit more high end. So I'm going to start by putting some painter's tape over the Christmas tree portion. I'm also going to take out the stopper on the top portion. And I'm going to spray the base with a mirror metallic spray paint. I had a little bit of trouble with the lid. I couldn't find something that would hold it in place, but eventually I just kind of used a lid to spray it black. I added the piece that goes on the bottom of the lid and put it back into my soap. This is a festive soap that you can put out in your kitchen or bathroom.
All right, you guys, I got a crazy DIY idea. I saw at Pottery Barn, they had these really cool bells. I'm gonna try to recreate them with these stocking hats.
I wish my bells were a little bit bigger, but I'm going to use what they have at Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by cutting off the greenery and bows that came on there. I'm going to do one coat of white spray paint to make sure that when I put the hats on, you can't see any of the gold through. I'm also going to use my wire cutters to cut off this top piece. I don't know if that was necessary, but I ended up doing it for all three of them. Then I'm going to wrap my hat around the top. I'm going to cut off any excess. And then I'm going to hot glue it on the back so it's nice and straight all the way around. With the excess on the bottom, I'm going to cut it off so I only have about an inch or two at the bottom, and then I'll hot glue that on the interior part of my bell. Now for my handle, I'm going to be using these rings that you can pick up at Dollar Tree, and I'll just place those in the center. And I'll repeat those steps for the other two bells as well. Now I know they don't look exactly alike, but I was able to get inspiration from those bells, and I think they are really cute.
I love grabbing these stirring spoons, you guys. These are great to put out at your hot cocoa bar. You can also get the candy cane spoons. Ooh, they also have hot chocolate bombs. Those can be pretty pricey. All right, you guys, it's your turn to vote. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite project was. I love knowing your opinion. Don't be afraid to try that project you've always wanted to try. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here. Bye.